Alam niyo, itong issue na to, yung talagang uminit na gusto ito, doon sa issue ng mischief brief. Pero bago yan, para lang magkaroon tayo ng perspective dito, no? Geographical perspective. Ito ang sprat list in relation to Vietnam, Philippines, and China. And you will note that the sprat lists are very close to the Philippines, closer to the Philippines than they are to Vietnam, and more so than to China. Ito naman yung old map. This is supposed to be an old Italian map of the area, mga 200-300 years ago. Makikita natin, there is no mention of Mare de Chin. Merong Mare del Indi, yan yung Indian Ocean, pero walang tinatawag na China Sea. Kasi ang parati sinasabi ng China, kanila daw, dahil ang tawag dyan, China Sea. But I would like to stress that the name of a place does not necessarily indicate ownership. Halimbawa, no? English Channel, hindi naman England na may-ari lang dyan. Andyan yung Persian Gulf, hindi lang Persia may-ari dyan. Yung Gulf of Mexico, it is not owned by Mexico. And Manila Bay is not owned by Manila. Pasig River is not owned by Pasig. And yung marami pang ibang mga Arabian Sea is not owned by Arabia. Indian Ocean is definitely not owned by India. So there is no basis for China to say that they own the China Sea or the South China Sea just because it carries the name. And in the case of the Philippine Sea, baka hindi nyo alam ang geography nyo, there is such a thing as the Philippine Sea east of the Philippines that goes all the way to the Marianas hanggang Guam. And definitely, that doesn't mean that we own the Marianas Islands, no? So let us not accept some of what the Chinese are saying with respect to ownership as indicated by the name of the place. Ito naman yung mga disputed areas, sprat list, parcels, yung nakikita nyo, yung broken line na yan, broken line, from the right, upper right corner, umiikot yan. Yan yung tinatawag na area being claimed by China. Na kanila daw ang the whole of the South China Sea. Now, ito ang it's a better indication of the competing claims in the South China Sea region. Makikita niyo yung line na yon doon sa gitna. Yan yung convergence ng mga tinatawag na exclusive economic zone lines, yung 200-mile limit. And you will see that we have our own exclusive economic zone. Andito, yung Vietnam has their exclusive economic zone, Malaysia, and China. And then sa gitna, yan yung hindi covered by anyone's exclusive economic zone. And you will note that almost all of the sprat lists, yung sprat list yan yung mayroong mga bilog-bilog, are within our exclusive economic zone. Yan naman yung mga claimant countries dito sa West Philippine Sea, sa sprat list area. Yung red with star, that is Vietnam. Of course, you recognize the Philippine flag. Andun yung Malaysian flag dito sa baba. And then the Chinese claims. We claim about 11 islands and reefs in the area. So makita nyo, nagka-clustering yan, no? It does not anymore have any clear demarcation line. Para nangyari dito, una-unahan kung sino